Hi students, I wanted to show you my environmental artwork that I made this winter. So it's been over 4 months that it's been out, so I don't have a picture of when it was first made, so you'll just see what's happened with it. And use nothing that was man-made, no glue, no string to hold it together or tape or anything like that. It's just about what you find outside. This was in the winter, so there wasn't really a lot of like growth happening, so I didn't take something out of the ground or anything like that. You can use things that are still growing, but just try not to take too much from a plant that it won't be able to keep growing. So here you have, it starts with a tree stump, and then it's a Christmas tree on top that someone discarded. They wanted to, it was right after Christmas and they didn't want to throw it in the trash. They wanted to put it back into the woods behind the houses here. So then sticks and twigs and all that were kind of like a teepee, kind of pointing up to it, emphasizing it. So that is the artwork. It's tipping over a little bit now, but it was more about the process. It's fun to make it. It was a warmer winter day, and Andy Goldsworthy, he'd make them all in one day. The other thing that you might find interesting, that he is still alive. I'm always teaching you about artists that aren't alive anymore because we're talking about the history of art, and he's still part of history, but he's still making history. He's a sculptor that still lives in Scotland. So you need to watch. There's another video, and that is just a couple minutes long also, and it shows him working and talking. And there's a lot more videos like that because it's actually from a documentary, which is just really interesting, at least to me. And so there's that, and then there's a document that I made which also shows when I was on a trip in Scotland. I just was walking through a park. I just thought, oh, they got some nice flowers in there, and I walked through there, and there were 2 Andy Goldsworthy sculptures that I did not know were there, so it was very exciting. I could just recognize them by his art style and just pictures I had seen. So that was a really cool experience. So that's in there too. And then you're gonna make your own. Don't use anything man-made, and have a good time and enjoy it. Have fun with your environmental art. All right, bye guys, miss you.